Lesson number 4. Practice breathing through a Bai Hui point. The Bai Hui point is located on the top of the head at the intersection of the horizontal and vertical lines of the head. This is transcendental point and it is closely connected with the red line, so it is desirable to breathe through this point before the red line exercise. The main position is standing or sitting. All attention is focused on the point of Bai Hui. Imagine that it lights up like a white star. First part 1. Inhale, the white energy enters the Bai Hui point. 2. Exhale, light gray, spent and unnecessary energy, goes along an arc-shaped trajectory down to the center of the earth. Breathe for 5 minutes. Second part 1. Inhale, white energy enters the point of Bai Hui and fills the third dantian. It is as if our head is a sphere that is filled with a white luminous mist. 2. Exhale, light gray, spent energy goes in an arc down to the center of the earth. Breathe for 5 minutes. Third part. We imagine a small copy of ourselves in front of us and mentally put our hand on the small head of our copy. 1. Inhale, white energy descends from the hand to the point of Bai Hui and fills the entire head of the phantom. 2. Exhale, light gray, spent energy goes in an arc to the ground. Breathe for 5 minutes. As a result of this exercise, there should be a tingling sensation, pressure, or some other sign of sensitivity in the top of the head. If there are no sensations, then there is a stagnation of energy in this place. Then we do the same as in the practice of breathing through the channels of the hands. Imagine that our fingertips are lengthening, and break the ice at the point of Bai Hui with 3 fingers folded into a pinch. At the same time, it is necessary to clearly visualize how the elongated tips break through the ice and penetrate into the head. Sometimes there may be a feeling of not ice, but a lump of clay or a stone that also needs to be broken. We perform the exercise from the very beginning after that, but we inhale slowly and exhale sharply while imagining how grains of ice or clay, or the stone itself, abruptly fly out of the Bai Hui point and fall to the ground in an arc. In some cases, it takes up to a week of 15-minute daily practice to open a Bai Hui point. Attention please. If during the practice there are unpleasant sensations, dizziness or nausea in the head, it means that there has not been a new energy flow in this area for a long time and the energy that has started to flow simply does not have time to be processed. In this case, we act gradually in small portions of energy, breaking through the ice for no more than 5 to 7 minutes, as long as you can tolerate, and then breathe through the point of Bai Hui. Over time, the body will restore the forgotten functions and you can increase the amount of time and accordingly, the amount of new fresh energy.